You're welcome. This is how to deposit money in your Bybit Exchange so that you'll be able to buy any cryptocurrency you want to buy. The first step is to pick up your smartphone and then you open to where you have Bybit Exchange app and then you click on it. If you skip any part of this video, I'm sorry, you might lose money. I just opened Bybit. Let me withdraw the little fund I have here so that we start afresh. Click wherever you have deposit. The deposit option here is at the top right side of my phone screen. So I'm just going to click deposit. And in the deposit, there are 3 ways you can deposit. In this video, for easy purpose, we are choosing P2P trading, that is peer-to-peer, from one registered Bybit user to the other. In the P2P section, most people are buying while most people are selling. Because we want to deposit, we are going to click buy so that we select our currency, select payment method and the amount. And here is the reason why. The payment method here, why you select it is because most people want to receive money from only people that want to send them money from OPay or PalmPay or Access. So I selected bank transfer so that I'll be able to pay to anybody that want to receive from any bank transfer. Now the next thing is to select amount. The reason why we are selecting amount is because there are people that are willing to sell to you if you are buying, but unless you are buying up to 1 million or 50 million, so you tell Bybit, show me the people that can sell this quantity I want to buy. I type in the amount I want here. You see, each thing you do, it will filter and show you the people that are willing to collab. Check the order percentage. How many orders has this person got? This person 7,000 plus. This person 3,608. This person 900 and now this order percentage means the people that has done transaction with those people. The first person here has done transaction with 7,677 people, and 99% of these he did accurately. Okay, so Bybit is showing from the best people to the least people. So you want to buy from among the best. Now the next thing you check out for is the price and how long it will take them to deliver to you. So those people here deliver within 15 minutes. You also check if the person is online right now. If it has this green dot, it means the person is online. So you want to buy from person who is online as well. Anybody you want to buy from, you click on buy beside the person's advert and now you type in the exact amount you want to send to the person. If I want to send 28,000 to Mr. Method and the amount I will receive is $17. So find out how many you want to receive as you are typing it. Now click on buy so that Bybit will show you the order you are making, the amount you will receive in dollar, the date and every detailed receipt of the transaction. Now if you're ready, if you haven't changed your mind, you simply go ahead and now click on buy. Now you have your details and the details of the person you want to send to. So click on the person's account number to copy it. Remember the bank name and the account name. Open to your mobile app or your banking PIN and make this transfer and then head back to Bybit. On getting back to Bybit, some of the time it will start all over again to refresh, but calm, your money is always safe. You simply go ahead as if you want to deposit again, just click deposit and click P2P trading. And now you see where it says orders. So any pending order you have will be here. And now you click on pay now again so that you see option to now select that you have already made this payment. Just select completed payment. This is important. To avoid account suspension, do not tap confirm payment without having paid. So if you have paid, check these 2 boxes and click confirm. Any advert that comes up, you can go ahead and remove it. As we wait for this person to send this USDT to my Bybit account, Lest I forget, if you are just starting to use Bybit for the first time, you have not registered before, you can get free $20 as a first timer in Bybit. And the way you can do that is to register on Bybit, and then if they ask you for referral code, put 90655. The moment you do that, the first time you deposit up to $100 and leave it for up to 5 days, you will get free $20. That means you will have $120. I can just go ahead and click option for contact, and then I can message him if I want to. So you can do same as well. So I just typed in the message release, so that he'll release the funds to me, the 17 USDT. How much are you going to be buying? Have you given this video a thumbs up? Make sure you do that right now. Let's just wait for it. 8 minutes plus remaining. And now you see the fund just came in. I'll click on done and show you in my wallet too, so that you see it. Now you just go back and then check your Bybit. You see that it just came in. It's as simple as this. Make sure to share this video to help somebody that is wondering how to buy USDT or how to deposit money in Bybit Exchange. And sure to comment below in case you have any issue or expect something else from here. However it goes, I wish you the best in all of this.